Oh, what's Sean doing, man? He's my bro.
We broke your bro.
He's
Really?
looking at the inside of his eyelids right now.
Yeah, we fucked him good.
Oh, nice.
Turned him into
Slapping
proper.
forehead for me.
Nobody's slapping anybody in my house.
We told him he had a virus.
No, you need to.
No. The boy needs a nap. Leave him the fuck alone. Go get in my Bedouin temple. Oh, you hung up? Oh, Joe Walsh, you're on hold. I'm sorry, dude. I don't know how the fuck this shit works.
Joe, I don't do that shit online, but now you've told her that every woman online is a whore? No wonder you're not allowed to do anything. No wonder you talk trash.
If you're hooking up with dudes
like
fucking
Joe Walsh, Joe Walsh,
you're obviously
Joe Walsh, is this your fake girlfriend or is this your mom just chewing you out because you didn't do the dishes?
No, it's Steely's friend.
Steely, yeah.
Oh, it's Steely?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Do the dishes, the bitch will shut up.
Tell Joe is.
I'm the one that does the dishes in this friendship. Thanks.
Steely, what's your lady's name? Fake one up.
Her name's Kitten. She needs. Do you know a good orthodontist, Joe Dutch, in Ontario?
Yeah?
You do?
Yeah.
Because Kate could use one.
Well, yeah, the part about that is dental's not covered under OHIP, so.
Well, she's on.
That has braces.
What?
Talking about kids and braces, so I don't really understand why.
I never mentioned any of that.
Then
All I
you need
mentioned was
braces,
not.
Joe. I need braces.
You.
Okay, kids.
Yeah.
Kids.
Yes, perfect city, man.
Children.
What are you
Children.
What?
Yeah.
There is not one fucking apple on the corner of my
A
desk this morning.
referral. That's all I'm going to say.
James, what?
She needs a referral.
So the
So
lady,
what?
What?
the lady
Because he
wants
means
to-
my son and braces.
God damn it, woman, shut up.
Yeah, shut up, woman.
He's talking
The
about a
lady
kid.
voice belongs to who?
You fucking chicken shit.
Lady voice belongs to who?
That's Kitten.
You're not gonna call her whore kitten.
That's her name.
It's Kitten 5533.
Hi, kitten.
Hi.
So now kitten is in the same proximity as Steely, right?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
suck each
Across
other off.
cable.
They
Okay.
lick each other's
And Joe
cocks.
Walsh is just being a faggot from somewhere beneath the 49th parallel.
Correct.
Okay, Joe, why are you such a dick, brother? Like, seriously, did your mom hate you?
Well,
Well,
this up here in
she
the.
was being mean to me. She was talking bad about my girlfriend.
Okay.
So I had my girlfriend
Well,
get on
I'm
here.
the
and
reason
back
why you're
up.
back on Vaughn. So keep talking
Oh,
fucking
here we
I've
go.
had you back for so long.
Here
But
we
as soon
go.
as you go fucking,
Yes, please.
as soon as you started sleeping with your sister, you went all fucking weird.
I told you. I fucking told you.
My sister was some of the best poon I ever had. She was also 4.
Ever seen Vaughn live, man?
No.
Never seen Vaughn live? No.
No, he has better things to do, like have sex with people.
That's great, man. Like,
Once the sex
I
ends, this
never
is all
knew.
that's left.
I never knew about Vaughn live.
It's your fault you found us with that fucking SBNC shit.
Like, yeah, you stumbled upon it. Like, you fucking, it's like a weird YouTube.
Yeah, now I'm a junkie fuck.
Hey, what's this? Vaughn live. Oh, check it out.
Let me watch all these people try not to fall out of their chairs in my house. Yeah, shit, man. No, it gave me a great fucking out. Like,
I can't give you a
I'm not allowed
no,
to
I'm
play. You?
now I'm fucking watching Vaughn
I'm just
live.
saying, it gives you a great out. Like, for fuck's sake, one of the first rooms I stumbled in, the kid lives a block away.
I'm
Like, that's serendipitous.
I was actually thinking today, how cool will it be? We all got our own fucking channel.
Do you remember
And
a while ago?
try.
Well, because you guys are all going to fight because it should be called Dutch.
Why did you
No,
delete me
we're gonna have a
from
try
Facebook?
thing.
Why did you delete me from
Right?
Skype?
Fucking
remember
Sean's
that?
gonna be
Do
casting
you
up
know
in the
why you
point.
did that?
And we're
It
gonna
was
be
your
casting
fun.
on the east and
Why
west.
would you care if my voice
24 hours with Fox Man derivative radio.
Here's the
Seriously,
fucking
why the fuck
point.
would you care? Huh, pussy name girl?
Yeah, wanna do the channel name?
Oh, I hear bitch fighting. Bitch fighters. Yell louder.
There's probably more that people don't know of.
No,
You've
I'm
had
listening to
two
bitches
people
fight.
how long? Like within the last
So,
couple
for
of
years.
years?
I think Steely's girl. I think Steely's girl is
Yeah,
getting some other girl.
Yeah,
Hang on.
when you watch it.
No.
No.
It's not the biggest thing, but.
Doing a thing.
Oh, I've been there before you got it on.
Who the fuck is my
Yeah, I
volume?
was watching this guy at a time.
Yeah, stalker.
No, he was here.
These guys say channel. And I don't think I'm channel worthy.
Are you guys retarded in Canada?
But I think if I do.
I'm sorry, what? Are you people retarded in Canada?
Are you guys
Short
Why?
Look at him, like, yeah. Up in line.
I am gonna need you to back that up with some sort of facts.
Next to him.
Whoa.
No.
I'm
No,
down in my
no,
car. I
no.
can't hear this yellow woman.
no, don't fuck
No.
with Canada. You dumb cunt American bitch.
Can't hear the audio
I
properly.
can't hear her screaming over herself.
Well, it's because she's a dumb cunt bitch.
So let her scream.
And she doesn't understand history and geography and, probably math.
Most Americans.
What the fuck is this?
303. I got a big old Dutch dick right here that needs to have the fucking detail. Just, come on.
What do you think, man?
Get in there under the hood. Check my fluids.
You got
Make
puppies.
sure I'm
No,
okay.
you got puppies. You
That
got
I love.
puppy thing, right?
No, Fox is a buddy. I'm not going to have him check my fluids. That's what I do with sluts.
Boxman is still alive. Still warm, right?
Quick, hold the mirror under his nose.
No, he's still warm. He's still warm. I can feel it. No, he's fine. He's not gonna be able to walk.
Ew, I hear kissing noises from the corner. Except if he doesn't actually pay his bill, then I own him and he's available for sale. And trust me, you kids are going to want to line up for this hot, tight, sweet piece of ass.
I heard that one.
By the way, they're not bringing down production levels. I'm okay.
Remember that?
What?
That was good though. Eating the pepper. Red, pepperoni.
I remember waking up when Allison told me Sean was on his way. Like, bitch, I have had the longest, straightest, best fucking sleep I have